Good morning. We're at Truma today to get an AquaGo installed in our RV. This is a brand new facility, as you can see. Nice morning. Even a nice area for us to park back there. We came in last night. And it's, of course, a beautiful spring day here in Elkhart, Indiana. Here's a close-up of the parking area. They have electric and water, no sewer. Yeah, really nice little setup. We came in last night, like I said, and parked in the back here. It's pretty easy to get in. No gates to deal with. And we should be doing our install in just a few minutes. This is inside the Truma installation warehouse facility. This is probably one of the cleanest facilities I've been in. They tell me it's new, which probably has something to do with it. Okay, and here's the finished installation. You can get these painted to match your coach, but this black is actually close enough. I don't think I'm going to spend the money to have it match the colors precisely. Great experience at the Truma headquarters. Very thorough, professional outfit, and the cost was pretty reasonable. The Truma unit is about twice as much as other instant hot water heaters. I think it's about $1,300 or $1,400. It's $125 an hour for installation. They charged me 2 hours, so $250. I think it was well worth it considering they've done dozens of these, and they do it correctly and make sure everything is checked. So hope this was helpful. Thank you.